Okay, so you can use MyBib and download a references page that will be formatted for you, but maybe you're not doing that. Maybe you want to make a reference page manually, which is how a lot of us did it back in the day, before all these nifty things were created. So here's that sample paper that we were looking at earlier, and I actually just wanted to have this up so I can show you. When I downloaded this sample paper from APA, there were all these comments in it, and these comments are actually showing you all the examples that the author is using, like all the citations and sort of explaining what they are. I don't know if that's helpful for you, but in the APA sample papers, you can find um, every single citation is noted here and checked by APA, so that's pretty interesting. We do not need those comments here, so I'm going to go to review, comments, delete. I'm going to delete all the comments in the document. Um, and just look at the reference page for now. So it's formatted right now. And I'm going to go ahead and do this backwards. So I'm going to unformat it. So it's double spaced right now, but oftentimes when you start to get into copying these references, they're going to be single spaced. So here we are in Microsoft Word. I'm going to go here. I'm just going to single space this document. All right. Up here, oops, up here are my margins. So it's taking up a lot less space now. Up here are my margins, and you can see that they're set maybe a little bit differently, for instance, from here, right? So we want to have this hanging indentation when we have a references page. So the way that that gets set up is by using this little triangle here. So now this is not really formatted at all. So I'm going to select it. And then I'm going to take this top triangle right here. I'm going to bring it in 1/2 inch. So now I have the author's name sticking out. That's going to help us know all of our friends who wrote all of these papers. It's going to help us see them a lot easier because although we are going to double space these references, we're not going to make spaces in between them. See that? So we want to have the author's name sticking out. So that's why we do this hanging indent there. This title, you want it to be centered. Most documents will start with this like all the way at the left, but we want it to be centered, so we do that way. And here is our references page, formatted in the old school way, the way that Meredith did back in the day.